it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons. And I am back today with a Target haul. A lot of it's from Bullseye Playground, their dollar spot. And one is from their Halloween collection, which my stores are just now starting to put their Halloween stuff out. If you guys are interested in seeing Target's Halloween, comment below. Let me know if that's something you'd like shop with me that I could do. Or I may do that on our other channel. Show the Halloween stuff. Not sure yet. But comment below if you guys think you'd want to see this. Target's dollar spot has the cutest stuff right now. Like functional that you can use all year long. That's what I love about it. And they're bringing it out for the fall stuff. First thing I'm going to show you is these risers, okay? So, you know, I try to always watch Auntie Cuckoo because she does the best shop with me's ever. I'm serious, you guys. But it's a set of 3. They're round. They were $5. I want to show you though. And you know how I'm bringing the black. So you have one like this. Okay. Then you have this size. So you could put that, you know, on your fireplace, your mantle, wherever, just to give you a little more height. And then you have this size. So I mean, I think that's a great little deal. No, it's not wood, but it's like that press board, but I mean, I think they're nice. And you can use that all year long. It doesn't have to be just for fall, even though that's what they brought out. Then I grabbed this. So I grabbed a clear one. I think it was clear with so the bottle was clear with the black, but this one is the amber glass. I thought this will look really nice in my kitchen because I'm bringing some more of the amber into the kitchen area, that not so bright orange. But for Halloween, maybe I'll just stick out a little fun Halloween one. But this was only $3, by the way. It's a soap pump. So I got that. Then I found these. These were also in her shop with me that she showed. Look at. Aren't those nice? Like, you can use these for so many things. You could just put stuff like this, or you can stack them when you fold these over like this. And then it sits on there, and then you can stack. These were $5 a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. TJ Maxx may have them similar to this, and they might be a little bigger, but they might be just a little bit more. They're showing stackable, like storage. That's how they're showing it. But I was thinking you could put potatoes in here. You could put onions in here, in your pantry, which that's what this is right here behind me. That's what I was maybe thinking, or even on your countertop with some fruit. I think that would be really cool. So I grabbed 2 of those. So $5 a piece. Then I'll show you guys all the stuff that's non-Halloween first, I think. I saw everybody picking these vases up. I'm like, I don't need another vase. But that vase is so pretty, you guys. It's not quite amber glass because this, see how that's darker? So this is a little lighter. It almost looks more brown. And it almost has even a slight hint of a purple hue to it. But this was only $3, okay? Then, aren't these pretty? So on the pick's $3. I'm trying to see. I think this is more than one. Nope. Maybe it's only 2 on here. Okay, so there's only 2 little, but you can kind of pull these out, I think, fluff them, kind of like a Christmas tree. But $3 for these. Okay, how pretty would that be in here? Right? Like just sitting there. I love that. Then I found these. These were $3 as well. Okay. It's really light. It's almost like, it's got a yellowish tint to it. But even that in the vase, you know, and of course you can bend it the way you want it, things like that. I grabbed 2 of those as well. And I told you we're going to be doing some decorate with me. I think I'm going to probably do the coffee bar first. Then I may do something in the living room. And then we'll have the fall home tour, because at the end of September, we put our Halloween out. And you're going to love it. I hope. I keep talking it up. Then I found this. Look at that. So it's a Lazy Susan for $5. And I just thought this was great. You could put it in your cabinets, put maybe your like oils, things like that. You can put it on your countertop. You have all your condiments. So like if say you're having people over, I think that'd be kind of cool. Set it right there. You can decorate with it. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, I loved it. So if you want to be on the lookout of that, then I'm walking through and I find this. Now, this is not real wood. Trying to see if it says what it's made out of, but it doesn't. This was $5. So it's like a little mini dough bowl. I think that's what those are called. But I was thinking like for my soaps or something like that in the kitchen, because I'm trying to bring that like black and like, I guess it's kind of industrial farmhouse, a little, not quite, because I don't really know what my style is. But I think you could probably find a better deal on these. But I went ahead and picked it up. Then I found this. This is pressboard. So, but it's a wood riser. So, and the feet, I don't think you should probably put anything too heavy on there, because that's all that's holding it up. It's $5. But isn't that cute? So you could do a little vignettes. You could do whatever you want. I'm just trying to do different things. Not always have the tier trays, even though I love them. I love decorating them. I love having fun with them. And, you know, but sometimes you want something changed, something different. So that's what I meant by all these fall pieces they're bringing out. You can use these all year round. You could use this vase all year round. Like, that's beautiful. It doesn't have to be just for fall, you know. All right. That is it for the housewares, like regular. So I'll show you the Halloween, what I picked up. Now, you know they've had the bottles and stuff before. These are only $1 a piece. So I picked up this round one. Then I picked up this one, Toxic Brain Juice. This is what? Night Owl Elixir. Comment below, guys. What can I put in these to make them look cool for like my witches area? I was thinking, believe it or not, I was thinking if I could find colored bubbles to put in there, like from the Dollar Tree. But comment below, let me know give me some ideas of what I could put in here. So I grabbed those 2. Then I grabbed this one. This is a Spider Venom. So yeah, this one is Toxic Brain Juice. So maybe I got to figure out like to go with what it says. Maybe feathers in this one because it's an owl. What do you guys think? I don't know. Give me some ideas. The next thing is this, which I have some of these. I hope I don't have this one. It says Magic Potion and it lights up. Those were $1 a piece, by the way. This is $3 and it changes color. So it goes from red to green, I think to blue. Yep, to blue, purple. But that's cool, right? And I like the black bottle. I like the little beetle on there. So, all right. Last but not least, this is not from the dollar spot, but I saw it in their Halloween. And honestly, you guys, I could not pass her up. This little witch's head was $10. She is like a cookie jar. It is hand wash, just so you know. Not oven safe, not dishwasher safe. But she could be a cookie jar or whatever you want. And with all the hocus pocus stuff that I have, how stinking cute is she? $10. I think that's a pretty good deal. I just thought she was adorable. But once again, I'll show you the name on there. But that is it. That's it for this. Guys, my hauls are actually getting smaller. Later this week, we're going to do some more decorating. We're going to show you some other stuff. And I decided for the measuring cups, it's going to be with my house tour. So when I do the fall home house tour is when that's going to be. So if you guys are my regulars and you want a nice set of measuring cups, if you are a Rae Dunn collector, I know you really want them. It's the pink ones, and that's when it's going to be. So be on the lookout for that one, and it'll be like an Easter egg. But that is it. By the way, I don't think I said like welcome because I got so excited about the haul. I just want to say thank you for all of you that continue to come back, write comments. I love chatting with you guys and just coming back for this crazy girl. And I appreciate you subscribing. If you haven't yet, make sure you do. Hit that bell. You want to be part of this family and you don't want to miss out on anything. I have lots to come, and if anybody's going, why is she wearing the same thing? It's a different day. Nope, not for me. And I wasn't changing today. I want to get this content out to you guys. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you kind to one another, love one another. And I'll see you next time.